just acquired this superb looking Audi Q7 S-Line 3 litre diesel. It's in absolutely fantastic condition throughout. Unblemished smoke chrome alloy wheels, running boards, privacy glass to the rear. It's got a removable tow bar, take that off if you want. It's hardly being used, as you can see. Just left that on if you needed it. The alloys really set this car off. It's got rear park distance control and a reverse camera, electric tailgate, that's a little cover to take the tailgate that goes on. It's the 7 seats. Just lift them up. Very easy to do. So electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, S-Line embossed leather interior. Cruise control, so 104,750 miles, reverse camera there, satellite navigation, it has DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, multifunction steering wheel, change the suspension settings on the car as well. Absolutely lovely. DJH will full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.